A priest and a nun get caught in a blizzard. Snow, wind, freezing cold, until, by sheer luck, they stumble upon a deserted cabin. Inside, one bed, one sleeping bag, and a pile of blankets. The priest, being a gentleman, says, "Sister, you take the bed, I'll take the sleeping bag." All seems fine, until the nun calls out, "Father? Father, I'm cold." The priest sighs, gets up, adds another blanket. "Better now, sister?" "Oh yes, Father, much better." He crawls back into his sleeping bag, just starting to drift off, when again, "Father, I'm still cold." So once more he gets up, piles on another blanket. "Is that better, sister?" "Oh yes, Father, much better." Finally, he's about to fall asleep, when she calls out again, "Father! Father! I'm so cold!" At this point, the priest thinks hard and says, "Sister, we're in the middle of nowhere, in a blizzard. No one but you, me, and the Lord himself will ever know what happens tonight. So, what if, just for this one night, we act as though we're married?" The nun hesitates. She's curious, and finally says, "All right, Father. Just for tonight, we'll act as though we're married." The priest's face lights up. "Wonderful!" And then he adds, "All right then, get up and get your own damn blanket."